Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Cash App and access the main dashboard. On the home screen, tap the Activity tab, shown as a clock icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the Activity section, look for the Declined Bitcoin transaction. These are usually labeled Declined or Not Confirmed. Once you find it, tap to view the transaction details. Cash App may ask you to confirm if you were the one who initiated the transaction. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. This step ensures the transaction was authorized and protects your account. After confirming, you'll see a green button labeled Looks Good or Confirm Transaction. Tap it to finalize the process. This action tells Cash App that the transaction is secure and should not be blocked again. Once done, Cash App will update its records, and your Bitcoin withdrawal should go through without further problems. So that's basically how you can fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.